Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the tool. Today, we're taking a look at https://www.tsb.co.nz, the website for TSB Bank in New Zealand. While seemingly simple on the surface, a closer examination reveals a wealth of information and functionality designed to cater to a wide range of banking needs. Navigating the site, you'll discover options for personal banking, business banking, and even rural banking, highlighting TSB's commitment to serving diverse customer segments. The homepage provides quick access to key features, such as online banking login, branch and ATM locators, and contact information. This streamlined layout prioritizes user convenience and allows for efficient access to essential services. Delving deeper into the site, you'll uncover resources for financial planning, investment management, and loan applications. TSB also offers a range of digital banking tools, including mobile banking apps and online account management platforms. Beyond the practical functionalities, the website showcases TSB's community involvement and commitment to sustainable practices. They highlight their local initiatives and partnerships, emphasizing their role as more than just a financial institution. This emphasis on community engagement fosters a sense of trust and connection with their customer base. Furthermore, the site provides comprehensive information regarding their products and services, including detailed FAQs and helpful guides, empowering customers to make informed financial decisions. The clear and accessible language used throughout the platform ensures a user-friendly experience for all visitors. By exploring the various sections of the TSB website, users can gain a thorough understanding of the bank's offerings and discover valuable resources to manage their finances effectively. They've clearly put effort into making their online presence a comprehensive resource hub for their customers. From everyday banking tasks to long-term financial planning, the TSB website provides the tools and information needed to navigate the complexities of personal and business finance.